Good morning, Tejaswini.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Tejaswini, can you please tell me what is medical coding?
Medical coding is the translating of the diseases, conditions, procedures and surgeries, equipments and materials into the universally accepted codes.
Okay. What are the components of the blood?
Blood is consist of the 45% of the blood cells and 55% of the plasma. Blood cells are the erythrocytes, WBC and platelets.
Very good. Tejaswini, can you please tell me the following medical terms?
Yes, sir.
Cardio,
Cardio is the heart, sir.
itis,
Itis is the inflammation.
erythro,
Erythro is the red.
leuco,
White.
angio.
Angio is the blood vessels, sir.
Very good, Tejaswini.
Tejaswini, so what are your strengths?
My strengths are the hardworking, self-motivated and positive attitude towards a working environment, ma'am.
So then if you are supposed to work with the rotational shifts, are you willing to do or not?
Yes, ma'am. I am working with rotational shifts, ma'am.
Okay, so we have a project in Coimbatore. So are you willing to relocate there?
Yes, ma'am. I am willing to relocate.
Okay.
Good.